Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back for day 7, the final day of the 7th-day cleansing that I'm doing for springtime. So again, thank you to every single one of you who have been following me along the way. If you have missed any of the videos, they're all linked down in this video and all the other ones as well. So all 7 videos are captured in all of the 7 videos. So if that makes sense. But anyway, thank you so much for following me in this journey. And thank you to the 99 for sponsoring this series. The 99 heard what I wanted to do and they said we'd like to team up with you. So also as a quick reminder, the 99 has tons of stuff coming in. Really healthy stuff. They have the turmeric. No, this is the beets. They have turmeric. And they also have tons of golly gummies coming in. For example, this one is the apple cider vinegar gummies. This was $2.99. I know that GNC sells this for about $18 to $20. So to get this for $2.99 is an amazing deal. And for anyone asking, these are good until let's see, Best Buy August of 2023. So they definitely don't expire for a long time. So these are the apple cider vinegar. They do have other ones as well, so if you guys want to check those out. And also all of their dumbbells and medicine balls are marked down to 99 cents, you guys. So definitely a great deal. So all right, with that, let's jump into today's final day of the cleansing. So today's recipe is pretty simple. It does include 6 carrots, which should make about a cup of carrot juice. And some of the health benefits is to help with your vision, helps control diabetes, improve immunity, improve digestion, regulate blood pressure, and much more. So as always, I am not a doctor. These recipes are simply meant to inspire you to try something different. But if you'd like to follow any diet, definitely check with your doctor before starting anything. So, all right, you guys, I'm really excited to try this one. Again, this is the final day. And overall, I really have noticed a difference. Obviously, each juicing has had different benefits, but overall, I feel a little more energetic, less bloated. I just overall just feel a lot more, I don't know if I would say alive, but just I'm more alert. I think that's the best way to describe it. So I definitely am going to continue doing some of these recipes throughout the week. Probably not every single day, but definitely at least 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm really excited to continue down this healthy path. In part with the 99. So thank you guys again for watching. All right, my friends, I'm so excited. This is for the final day. So as always, I always like to add a little bit of a few ice cubes into my smoothie or into my drink purely just to make it colder. That's my personal preference. So time for the taste test. A nice little swirl. Whee! Okay, Sway, come on. Yummy. Okay, so carrot juice, obviously, as you know, is very sweet. So if you like sweet, you'll definitely like this one. So thank you again for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Have a great evening, and I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.